Good evening to all the dignitaries and my dear brothers and sisters at Rotary. There are memorable occasions in every community that bring all its members together. And today is one such occasion that marks the installation ceremony of the new governor of Rotary District 3211. I am honored to address all my fellow members and the great leaders of the organization who are present here to witness this great moment. I am also proud to be the chosen one to felicitate two luminous leaders of Rotary District who are in the spotlight today. One the outgoing governor and the other the future leader who takes over the mantle from him. Rotarian Shirish Keshavan, who demits his office as governor today, has a special place in my heart as a person and as a leader. He was one among the governors to spot my leadership quality and help me develop it. In fact, he showed how much he valued my leadership by supporting me to be unanimously elected as the governor for 22-23. I thank him from the bottom of my heart for his support. I evolved as a Rotarian and a leader through the many projects he initiated during his various roles in the organization. The last 1 year of his governorship also saw the Rotary break new grounds in social work. One of his path-breaking programs, REACH, took waste management in his territory to a new level. He designed the project to rope in college students and school students. He ensured their active participation with the aim of inculcating the concept of environment protection in them. In fact, REACH created such a strong impact that it eventually led to Kollam city becoming plastic free. At this juncture, I would like to mention the name of Rotarian KJ Raji, district chairman of REACH, who spearheaded the project under the leadership of immediate past district governor Shirish Keshavan. What sets him apart as a leader is his ability to stay positive even in difficult times. And it does not stop there. He has uncanny talent for converting every challenge into opportunity. A classic example is his work during the current pandemic of COVID-19. When the whole country went into lockdown, he did not sit idle. Undaunted, he worked on the ground 24/7 to provide relief to those people who suffered its dreadful impact. He led from the front to organize and coordinate supply of food packets and other aid to thousands of needy people, the police and health workers in the area under his governance. PDG Dr. John Daniel, district trainer, also needs special mention here as he support his governor on the front lines, physically going out to various places to hunt out thousands of aid kits personally. Kudos to IPDG Shirish and his team for their selfless effort during this COVID time. As part of COVID relief measures, he has also initiated the process to provide 27 ventilators to the government at a cost rupees 3 crore, realizing the acute shortage of funds and ventilators in the state. He and his team has thus shown the world what organization like the Rotary can do during such a crisis. In doing so, he rainbows the Rotary brand as socially committed, compassionate organization, and as he completes his governorship, he leaves behind his signature of excellent and great path of glory of his successor to follow. I, on behalf of every gathered here, thank him and wish him all the very best as he moves on. We cannot have a more worthy successor to IPDG Shirish Keshavan than DG Dr. Thomas Vamarikundi, who takes over as governor of Rotary District 3211 today. As his life and achievements in the Rotary have shown, he is a true model for every Rotarian to emulate. I would like to call him the guru of global grants. His tenure as president of the Pala Rotary Club was a golden era. He was able to organize many global grants for various special social development projects in and around Pala and Kottayam district. Some of these include the ambulance project and another one that provided free dialysis unit to Carmel Hospital. There was yet another project that provided water treatment plants and a blood bank to Marian Hospital, his initiative to build 18 houses for the homeless people in Aymanam, and more recently the project to provide 5 ventilators were all accomplished through global grants. All these, including Wins Washington School, have helped enhance the image of Rotary and propagate its work ethics. The Rotary Conference, assemblies, and seminars organized under his leadership were also great success. As you all know, Pala Club is one of the biggest Rotary Club with more than 140 members. And he is the first member from this club become the governor of the district. This is definitely an acknowledgement of the capability and commitment he has demonstrated over all these years. His wife, Rotarian Dr. Omana Thomas, has been an equally committed member of the organization and pillar of support in all his activities. I take this opportunity to wish his team, all the presidents and secretaries of various clubs, the very best for the current year starting today. I should also congratulate his team members because I think they are very lucky to be designated to work with a visionary leader like him. I am sure you will get many opportunities to partner with him on many novel and meaningful projects this year. I, on my behalf, my wife Veena, and all gathered here, wish him a fruitful tenure ahead and hope that it sets the trend for all Rotarians and their works in the future. My speech would be incomplete if I did not felicitate few more persons on this stage. So let me record the appreciation of all of us for trainer PDG Dr. John Daniel, PDG Shashikumar Vice Governor, PDG KPR District Advisor, Council of Governors, District Secretary General Advocate Alex Thomas, and district officials 9020 who supported our outgoing governor in all his efforts. PDG PG Muralidharan, the incoming district trainer, is the IT expert of Rotary who knows the organization inside out. With his skills, he is an asset to the new team. District Secretary General Rotary George Moulay, all other district officials 2021, along with assistant governors, incoming presidents, secretaries, and all others on the team. The year ahead promises to be a great one for District 3211. I welcome them on board and wish luck in their new roles. As District 3211 is poised to enter a new era under a new leadership, let us celebrate the two teams, both the outgoing and the incoming ones. Give them a big round of applause. And let us all pledge our support to the new team in their efforts to take our district to bigger and better levels of excellence. Thank you. Jai Rotary.